All right, so in week 3, we are continuing the work we did in week 2, but we will be introducing thousands and then giving just a lot of days for students to practice in different ways to really build up their understanding. So, taking a look at Monday, we will see what students remember and just, again, ground them in the basics. And then we will probably do some more review from the previous week. And again, this is following the same format, so I'll go over it once and then I won't spend too much time. So you'll say, what units are these? Students will shout out ones. Yes, these are ones. How would we write it when there's 3 ones? Write it on your board. Right now, check it. Does yours look like mine? If not, change it. Now write it 2 more times and show me. Okay, erase your boards and get ready for the next one. So you get the gist. So we start off, and if you notice, I intentionally have the ones, tens, and now 100s all showing 3 of each of those to, again, subtly plant the seeds of how these patterns work. So let's do something new. Are you guys ready for a really big number? Again, kids love big numbers. Be dramatic about this because lots of kindergartners and first graders don't get to work with big numbers. It's amazing how interested they get just when the numbers are big and you make it seem like it's a huge deal. So, what units are these? Ooh, does anyone remember what these are called? Oh yeah, they are thousands. How many are there? We'll count with them. All right, you guys know how these patterns work. How do you think we write 3,000s? Give it a try, and then I'll show you. Ooh, did you remember that thousands have 3 zeros? All right, write it two more times. Okay, so you get the gist. We'll do more thousands. We'll count with them, and then we're done with that day. Oh, I should say, I've found a really fun video that's a counting by 100s video. You can't play it directly on your screen from here because it's a company called Number Rock that does not do that. But if you click on this link, you can blow it up and have it just be on the background in YouTube. And since students aren't writing or needing any models, I think it works. You can always copy and paste the cleanup from another week if you prefer. All right, Tuesday. Let's see what we're doing on Tuesday. So some review. And I think for Tuesday, we're just kind of, yep, it looks like we're building that sense of pattern with 2 of each of those units. And then we're getting complicated, counting up all the units, writing it down. Wednesday, we'll follow the same pattern at the beginning, but then we will have a new way for students to practice the quantities and numerals. And let me show you that part. We'll say, what is this? Students will shout it out. How do you write its name? Ooh, which one of those shows its name? Can you decide and then write it on your board? All right, show me in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I guess I should have revealed the write it part. And then you can say, let's see if you were right. All right, fix your boards if it doesn't show 400. And that's basically the gist. So you'll actually do the same thing on Thursday. And then Friday, we're going to remove those scaffolds. So let me show you what that looks like. I'll say, what is this? Don't say anything. Just see if you can figure it out. And so students will count and I'll say, okay, write it on your board. And then show me in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's 8 tens. Does yours look like that? That's how we write 8 tens. Make your board look like mine and then write it 2 more times. So Friday is all about doing this without the scaffolds. All right, please leave any questions in the comments and definitely leave any feedback if there's any way that this could be clearer for you or your students.